Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you do not know me, I am Chanel, and in today's video I will be doing a wet and wavy wig from Love Me Hair. They did send over a headband wig. I'm not quite sure of the length of this particular wig, so I will leave that information down in the description box as well as the link to the wig. Right now I'm just kind of giving you an overview of this wig. As you can see, it does have a little bit of shedding, but the wig is very lightweight and it is wet and wavy, so you can either wear it straight or you can wet it up and wear it wavy. Now, it does not necessarily need any product with this wig. This is a pretty good wig. You could just wet it and go, but you can also put in some leave-in conditioner in it as well. As you can see, it does come with 4 combs. There's 2 on the sides, 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the back. And then it has the headband strap with the elastic on it. The construction is very nice. The wig, as far as the headband, is very flat, as you can see there. So you don't have to worry about any, bumps or anything, humps, none of that. It's a flat construction and it's very breathable as well. Perfect for the summertime since it's so breathable and light. I think this is an excellent wig and good for the purchase for the summertime. So I'm just showing you my braiding pattern. It does not have to be anything neat. It is going to be underneath the wig, but I did particularly wear this particular hairstyle, or I did part my hair like this for a reason. So those 3 braids in the back basically just help secure the wig in. You can put the combs in and you don't necessarily have to worry about your wig slipping back. But I am going to be doing a hairstyle at the end of the video, just showing you how you can naturally wear your hair in a half up, half down hairstyle. But first, what I want to do is make sure that my front of my hair is pretty moisturized. I did kind of feel like it was dry, so I used the Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer. And I like to use this moisturizer because it does not cause my hair to curl up. So I just use that on it, and it gives it enough shine and moisture to your hair as well. But I'm just going to take some gel, just slip back my hair. This whole hairstyle just takes maybe 5 minutes, nothing too long. That's why a headband wig is very convenient, because all you have to do is slick back your hair. If you don't want to slick your hair back like the edges, you don't have to do that. You can just throw the wig on and be fine with it and go on about your business. So that's why I like wearing headband wigs. So convenient. But I'll let you go ahead and take a look at the video. I'll come back if I have anything else to say.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So this is how I've been wearing the headband wig. Of course, you can wear the headband as is. You can wear it with the black strap, or you can also wear it with some of those headbands that they send you in the package. But me personally, I like to give it a little bit of pizzazz, razzle dazzle a little bit. So right now I'm turning the headband wig into a half wig. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are familiar with half wigs, like probably early 2000s or so. Half wigs was a thing back then. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting the combs into my braid and making sure I kind of tuck that headband a little bit just so it won't be as noticeable. But I'm just taking the front part of the hair. I'm gonna just kind of slick that back, get my front of my head. I cannot talk the way I want to talk today. So I'm gonna get the front of my head as slick as I can. As you can see, the hair texture is different. It is shorter, so I have to blend as much as I can. What I'm gonna do is slick it back, gather some of the wet and wavy hair into a ponytail, and then I'm just gonna take these pieces in the back, these two pieces from the very back of the wig. Now these two pieces is going to help cover up the headband as well as add some security to your wig. You won't have to worry about the wig flying off. Don't worry about it, you know, slipping back, any of that, because this will help with that security. But I'm going to gather my hair and some of that wet and wavy hair into a ponytail, and then those two pieces that I have tied around my neck, what I'm going to do is use that to basically blend my natural hair. So I'm going to twist that with the wet and wavy hair, and then I'm going to just wrap it around the ponytail, so it looks more like a hair headband or a hair tie, and kind of, you know, make it blend a lot better, make it a lot more natural is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, so I'll let you finish watching this, and if you have any questions over this particular part, be sure to put it down in the comments, and I will be back.
Left of me, drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker, even when
So the company Love Me also includes a hair clip that says Love Me, and it's like rhinestone. I felt like that was really cute, so I decided to put it on the ponytail and just give it a little bit something extra. Super cute, like I said. But yeah, that's basically how the half up, half down hairstyle turned out. As you can see, it looks pretty natural. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it's extremely lightweight, so you don't have to worry about the wig weighing your hair down. As you can see, it does have some length to it, but I can't reiterate enough, it is very, very lightweight and perfect for the summer. You don't want your scalp to be, you know, too, I don't know, hold too much heat. So that cap actually helps with the breathable scalp. But I did want to show you guys that the wig can be straightened. So I am going to straighten it, and then in a little bit I'm going to show you that it does wave back up. So you don't have to worry about that. If you do want to straighten out the hair and wear it straight, all you got to do is just add some water to it and it'll wave back up with no problem. This is the end of the video. I do appreciate everyone for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you in my next one. Take care.